Hi, Liz here from Pilates with Liz. Going to go over the 100, which is the warm-up exercise. First exercise in a classic mat class. Roll down, center yourself on the mat, taking your legs to tabletop position, head and shoulders up off the mat, and you're vigorously pumping your arms just at hip level, vigorously pumping your arms up and down. We inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. You can keep your legs at tabletop, or you can take them out to a high diagonal. The heels are together, toes slightly apart. I want you looking into your abs and drawing your shoulders away from your ears. It's inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going vigorously, pumping those arms. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking into your abs, and you're pulling your abs in and up, drawing those shoulders away from the ear, as you're vigorously pumping your arms. For the 100, it's called the 100 because we're vigorously pumping for 100 times. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time, inhale and exhale all the ear up. Pull the knees in and rock on up. And that's the 100, the first exercise. Thanks so much for joining. Talk to you soon.